it's Gabrielle, and this video is a sample from Studyclix Boost, our new rapid revision tool. Go to studyclix.ie/boost to find out more.
Hi folks, so I feel a bit insulted even doing this question with you, but the area and volume topic as a whole just simply involves picking out the correct formula, throwing in a few numbers, and just being careful with our algebra and with our signs and whatnot. But anyway, find the area and circumference of the circle shown. Now area, all that means is the amount of space it takes up, so the shaded area of the disc. Whereas circumference, same as the length, it's the outside edge. It's like a bicycle rolling down how far you've covered with one revolution of the wheel. So anyway, find the area. On page 8 of our formula books, we see there's two formulas there. And it tells you about everything. It tells you R is the radius. We can see that from the picture. And L being outside the circle, showing you that that's the length or the circumference or the perimeter of the circle. So the formula for area is pi r squared. So always write down your formula. Here, the radius is 7. You work that out. 7 squared, we get 49 pi centimeters squared. Now that's our answer in terms of pi. Now if they want to 2 decimal places, so we'll just type it in just to show you. The pi button down there beside the ANS, it's in yellow. So to get them yellow buttons, shift pi multiply by 7 squared, 49 pi. And to get the other answer, say to 2 decimal places or to the nearest whole number, press your SD button, 153.94 will go for. So the question usually dictates what form they want it in. If they don't say, it's just as handy to leave it in terms of pi. Number 2, find the length or find the circumference of the circle. Again, there's a new formula for it, and the formula there is 2 pi r. So length 2 times pi times the radius, which is 7. In terms of pi, it's 14 pi. Centimeters is just simply distance, and if they want that to 2 decimal places, just type it in, and I'll show it to you too. Remember, shift by my radius. 14 pi, that's in terms of pi. Your SD, 43.98. Now we'll move down. We'll have a wee look at slightly harder problems. So in this one, the area of the circle shown is 12.25 pi centimeters squared. So the answer they've given me here is in terms of pi. So all you've got to do is change the English to maths. What have they said? The area of a circle. So how do I say the area of a circle? I turn to page 8 of my formula book and I see there that the area of the circle is pi r squared. Is, that word is, how do we say is? Just simply an equal sign, 12.25 pi. Now if we have a pi either side, this is the beauty of leaving answers in terms of pi, we can simply cross them off. It's a common factor, we get rid of it. And what we're left with is r squared is equal to 12.25. And we simply want to work out r, our radius, and to work out r, just take the square root of 12.25. And we get a radius of 7 over 2, or 3.5. And that's it. So there, we just had to change our English into maths, and we've seen in both of these questions the difference in terms of pi and giving it to the nearest whole number.